Hi everyone, in this video we'll learn about how to install Power BI desktop. So first of all, we'll go to Microsoft Store. For me it's already installed, but in your use case I'm telling, once you open the Microsoft Store, just to search for Power BI. So it will show Power BI. Just to click on this. For me it's already installed. For in your use case, you just to click on install. Around it will take some time, around 1.05 GB for installation. I'm opening in my desktop. So once you open, it will look like, just to select a SQL Server or anything is fine. So it will look like this. If you have any file format, you can upload. Actually Power BI, it's a visualization tool, like a drag and drop method we can able to create the visualizations. Simply I'm trying to upload some Excel book here. So I have Excel data in my desktop. Excel workbook. Let me try to upload. I have employee.csv. Let me try to open. So here, this is the data view, and data view in the sense of table view, and first one is the graph view, and this is the relational view. So if you try to load the data, you can load. You can see here after this one completed, you can see right side, the table data will be visible in right side. Yeah. Once you can expand, so bonus, employee id, first name, gender, so these all are the different fields available in employee table, I'm sorry, employee.csv file. So if you want to create any kind of the file, just to click on the respective symbol and try to select or drag and drop employee id along with the salary information you want to see. So here some of the salary, and yeah, gender information, you can see different yeah, here if you want to do add multiple things, you can add each employee level, you can able to see like a select query. So and if you want to create some other, just to click on the respective, just to select here and select the graph or chart, whatever it is you want to do. Simple drag and drop. Okay. Whatever the tools you want to sorry, whatever the fields you want to select, just to select the fields. So I'm trying to select based on gender, and first name along with the gender with salary. So you can see this is the way we can able to create the reports in Power BI. And apart from that, if you want to connect any kind of database, here you can connect SQL Server. Let me try to connect SQL Server. In my use case, I have already connected. So server name, what is the server name? You should have to paste. I'm directly doing the copy paste. So this is the server name, where I will get the server name, just database engine. So take this directory, sorry, take this one and paste in server place. If you want to do direct to query or import the entire, so here advanced options are available. If you want to write any select to query, you can write directly. Simply click on OK. Yeah, it is connecting. For my use case, it's already connected. You can see here test database, how many tables I have in test database. You can able to select the table, and if you load the data, yeah, you can able to see in department table backend. You can see here. So I have already connected. Let me show you. You can see here 10, 20, 30, 40, same department number, department name, and location. Whatever you can see here, you can see in Power BI. So this is in data view. Okay, we have connected to SQL Server. Next, I'll show you how to connect Oracle. So here, get data. Here you can see more. Have a lot of options available. So select database. Here you can see Oracle database. Connect. In my use case, I have already connected to Oracle database server. It's a local host only. So in Oracle, I'm using local host to connect. Yeah, in Oracle, I have my own schema I have created. In my own schema, I have created these all are the different tables. If I want to see the data, you can see the data. So this is the employee data. If you want to select this and if you want to load, you can load. It will automatically import to this data. You can see here, employee table have imported successfully. If you want to perform any kind of the operations, you can do drag and drop, and you can select the respective chart, and you can select the fields. So yeah, that's all about this video, guys. Thank you.